Hey guys, welcome back. So Madam Glam sent me more of their nail polishes. And if you haven't seen my last video, what are you doing? But no, I'm playing. But they sent me a couple more nail polishes, as you can see here. So this first video, I'm probably just gonna do like an unboxing is what I'm thinking. But they sent me 6 more nail polishes that I could choose, which I really love about working with them. So here is the first shade, literally so beautiful. So this one, let me see, the name is Rock and Blue. Here's the color. I'm also show you guys how it looks inside the bottle, because these are literally, again, so beautiful. Like, look at that. Just like, look at that glitter. It's so pretty. So pretty. Like, my nails have been needing some TLC. I weightlift. So literally I've been ignoring my nails for a while because they always get messed up and stuff. But with Madam Glam, like, their gel nail polish lasts me a good about week and a half, which is really good for nail polish on my fingers. Normally they're ruined the day that I go to the gym again, but this one actually lasts through a decent amount of gym sessions, which I love. But here is the next one. It is Spiced Up. I'll show you guys the back. It's Spiced Up. I got this because I realized I don't have any red nail polishes. This one is like a deeper, darker red, but it has a ton of sparkles and everything, which would be really great for the holiday season. Obviously, it's summertime though, so I'm just gonna wear it anyways. I got it because I wanted to wear like sparkly red nail polish, but it's really great for the holiday season as well. This one is called Prodigy, which is like black sparkly nail polish. Again, I never realized this. I don't have any black nail polish. So I was just like, I have to go ahead and get this because look how pretty. Like, again, each time I always open up the bottle just to see the color and everything, it's just like, it has me in awe. It has me in literal awe. Here is the next one, which is Perfect White. I went ahead and got this because Madam Glam's is like nail polishes. It's like a one swatch and done. Don't know how I feel about showing my feet on the internet, but my feet are done right now with one of their nail polishes that they sent me the other time I filmed. I'm loving it. It's literally been on there for like a good 2 weeks and none of it has actually chipped yet, now that I look at it. Yeah, nothing has chipped. But yeah, here is the white one. I've been seeing all over TikTok, like they're one swatch and done, which is awesome because it's like you rarely ever will find a white nail polish that's like one swatch and you're done. I haven't run into that before. I've seen Madam Glam. Because you always get that white streaky nail polish that's like, it literally looks like glue. It's like, what? I know I did not just pay for this, but yeah. Anyways, next one we have here is Scream, which is like, I have no idea how to explain this color. It's like a dull pink or like monochromatic pink. I don't know. Monochrome, not monochromatic, but it's so pretty. Like, this is the sort of pink that I really love personally. I don't like bright pink. Since it's Barbie season though, I love bright pink, but like normally if like my favorite color really is pink, but like if I'm telling you that my favorite color is pink, I normally mean like it's like a dusty pink, not like dusty as in bad, but like you've heard of that name, right? Like dusty pink. But anyways, this is literally so pretty. And then we have this last one called Gemini's Heart. I'm actually a Pisces and I saw this color and it reminded me of Pisces a bit more, but at the same time, I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna let it go this time. If you can't already tell, I am a Pisces. But Gemini's Heart, it's like this really pretty, like turquoise color. It just like, when I saw it on their website, quite literally, like, I had to go ahead and grab it because the color was just so eye-catching to me. It's so pretty. It's literally, it looks so blue on camera now that I look at it, but in person it's more of a turquoise, but on camera for some reason it's picking up as like a blatant blue. But it's so pretty. And here is their packaging again. It is so like look at that. Like, that's so luxurious to me. Put their website here. Go ahead and follow them on all their socials. I'll go ahead and put it down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Next time you'll see me swatching them on my hands. If I had like those little nail swatches, that would be literally beautiful. I don't have them though. But anyways, my nails need some TLC, so you gonna get a nail video very soon. All right, see you guys next time. Bye.